Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this travel insurance provider platform, which is Worldtrips Insurance. So let's dive into the review. So talking about Worldtrips is a well-known travel insurance provider that stands out for its strong medical coverage and flexible plan option. It offers high limit for medical emergencies and evacuation, and even provides coverage for pre-existing condition on certain plans with customizable add-on like cancel for any reason and rental car protections. It's good fit for travelers, digital nomads, and frequent flyers who want peace of mind while abroad. On the downside, Worldtrips has mixed feedback when it comes to claim. Some customer report slow claim process and a complicated submission process, which can be frustrating in urgent situations. While the coverage itself is solid, the claim experience may not be as smooth as competitors like Haliezers and Trawik. In conclusion, Worldtrips is a great choice if you want strong coverage and a flexibility, but less ideal if you value a fast and easy claim handling. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.